They say you can understand a city by its street food. And if Mumbai had a winter anthem, it wouldn't be music. It would be the sound of crispy fried noodles and the smell of chicken manchow soup in the air. This soup isn't delicate, it's bold, dark, and full of attitude. Today, we are not just making soup, we are making comfort with crunch. Before we even talk about the chicken, we have to talk about the crown. A chicken manchow soup without crispy noodles is like a movie without a climax, completely pointless. We start by boiling noodles and cook until almost done. But here's the secret: dry them out completely. If they are damp, they'll be soggy. Dust them with a little cornstarch and toss them into shimmering hot oil and watch them transform into golden, tangled webs of joy. While frying, make sure you use a big wok or a deep pan, as the hot oil may spill out if you add all the noodles at once. So fry your noodles in batches because hot oil needs respect. Fry the noodles on high heat on both the sides till light golden. And when ready, do not snack on them. Set it aside as we have work to do. Now we start with the heart of Indo-Chinese cooking. Finely chop ginger and finely chop garlic and saute till the kitchen smells like heaven. Saute on high heat for a few seconds. In goes finely chopped green chilli for some heat. Finely chopped cabbage and finely chopped carrot. Saute on high heat. Then add finely chopped chicken, small pieces, so every spoon gets a bite. Cook the chicken on high heat for a few seconds until done, and then add chicken stock or hot water. This is where the alchemy happens. A splash of soya sauce, a touch of chili sauce, and look at the color change. It goes from a humble broth to deep and dark. White pepper powder for the kick, salt to taste, a quick stir, and bring it to a rolling boil. Then the thickening of the plot. A smooth cornstarch slurry, and watch the soup go from watery to velvety. It should coat the back of your spoon like a warm hug. Finally, a slow and steady stream of beaten eggs. It creates those beautiful silken ribbons that make the soup rich and luxurious. And there's only one thing left to do. Finish with some fresh coriander leaves and spring onion greens. Ladle the hot soup into a bowl with generous amount of crispy fried noodles which we made earlier. This is real to meal, where street flavors meet real comfort. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.